What's wrong with the notebook? When I run it, the results are totally different.
The one with the new data analysis method?
Yep. What's the version of Pandas?
Oh, no idea.
For real. And which dataset did you use?
The one on my USB key.
We'll have to rerun everything with all the data.
But that will take me 2 weeks.
You should have used a workflow instead of bunch of notebooks.
Workflow?
Yes, and a container to control your software versions.
A container?
Okay, you should definitely follow the MOOC.
A MOOC? Which one?
You're probably lost in the zoo of fancy software you hear everybody talk about.
In this MOOC, we will show you how to improve your practices for managing large data and complex computations in controlled software environments.
This course is for everyone who relies on a computer to perform data analysis. You should have some experience with running commands in the terminal and have a basic knowledge of Git and Scientific Python.
You will learn how to use formats like JSON, FITS and HDF5, platforms like Zenodo and Software Heritage, tools like Git Annex, Docker, Singularity, Gix, Make and SnakeMake.
We will even show you how to integrate them together in a real-life use case, a sunspot detection study. You will see for yourself that it allows you to work in a reliable and reproducible way.